sent. I ain't preaching, I'm just relevant. Feels good now, but it hits you later. Sweet on the tongue, but it changes nature. Pop well, feeling for the next sensation. Meet on my rank, soul inflation. They want I get revelation. Turn heartbreak into meditation. Don't shoot the truth, let it melt on felt. Every line I pray I do. Can't fake grace in silence though. I made gold out of cause they shove. They score for love and a loop of lies. I drop one line, baptize their minds. Sweet sound dripping off sacrifice. High so clean it can save your life. It's good now. It's good now. They scroll for love and a loop of lies. I drop one line, baptize their minds. Sweet sound dripping off sacrifice. I so clean it could save your life. It's good now, it's good now. But wait a bit. You gon' feel that. You gon' feel this when the rush all quits. When the world go quiet and the lights all fade. That's when you'll taste what the song just made. The truth like medicine feels real good to the meaning settling. Feed your spirit while you chase adrenaline. Candy coated pain, that's the medicine. Tastes like sugar, yeah, it's heaven sent. I ain't preaching, I'm just relevant. Feels good now, but it hits you later. Sweet on the tongue, but it changed your nature. Feel it later. It's the difference.
Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Eric, good to see you. Just got out of work. Oh, this chart I was just pulling this up. This is Zcash. This is LTC against altcoins. So, I'm just noticing the similarities here. I still think this looks fine. It's interesting that literally all these random proof of work chains are pumping that have no adoption. Like Decred, Dash is up 140% over the last 7 days. So we are seeing everything except Litecoin, which is the most adopted chain, pump yet, but it should be the last to go and probably the strongest. Nothing really changed for me seeing this dump happen. I didn't think it was going to do this. But wait one second, I need to turn this down. Can feel it in your plums. Yeah. It's been lagging Zcash by about 60 days. And I don't really like the structure of Zcash now. Like the way it's rising here. Looks like it could roll over. But they're really pumping this hard. But Zcash really started rallying like 38 days ago, 40 days. And if this is going to continue to follow by about a 60-day lag, it should start whenever some sort of strength returns to the market. But I mean, it's like doing a lot better than a lot of these other coins, especially against like Cardano. This looks like it's parabolic going vertical. Bitcoin Link, it's the same sort of picture. LTZ XRP I think is done. Litecoin should be the next coin to go. And it looks like we just came back and nearly retested the same level we broke out of against altcoin, the whole altcoin market. And I was looking at it against Zcash USD because Zcash kind of did the same thing. It like broke out, came back, retested this area once, came up again, like wicked into it, and then went vertical. So that's what I was looking at because I noticed how similar it was. This trend line's drawn wrong. But we kind of did the same thing. Like broke out, retested, ran up again, and this came back one more time. But it was just before the vertical ascent against the dollar, and I think that's what we're doing against altcoins here for Litecoin. So I wouldn't freak out. Looks like it's still holding this uptrend. I mean, it would be nice if it bottoms here around 85. This is also the same picture wave basis was giving, and it called for this pullback. We looked at it briefly. It did call a move down here below the lows. And if you look at how much of this wick was filled, I guess it depends on what exchange you're using. But it's really common to fill 50% of it, which is like $84. So I think we're good. Let's look at on balance volume coming all the way back down. But CMF there is a lot of buying happening down here. We could reverse pretty quickly off this low. We got a lot of short liquidity to take above where we're at right now. I don't know about Bitcoin, and I mean, I think it could go sideways through the end of the year and then start rallying again Q1. But let's blow through these shorts. There's a lot to take here. Two more weeks. Yeah, Joey. Probably 2 more weeks. Sounds about right. I mean, this correction's lasted pretty long now. And finally, like, what I'd been thinking would happen to all these stupid, like, it's stupid to me, but the 21 cycle winners for like years now, I was talking about how I thought they'd underperform. So Dogecoin, Cardano took way longer. They had these like fake out pumps or exit pumps, but these look pretty bad. Like all of them. Yeah, so a bit of a speed bump here. Let's look at LTC BTC real quick. We're on a 9 weekly. Yeah, Litecoin's holding up a lot better than most alts actually. So this is alts in aggregate. It kind of pulled back, but I think we technically broke out, right? This is the first time we've really held above this level for any considerable time, right? It wicked above for a few days here, and then immediately broke down below. Here again, like 3 times. And now we broke above, retested, and we've been correcting above this level. So I think Litecoin will show a lot of strength, and I still think it'll be stronger than Zcash's move. So I don't know. Litecoin against most everything looks really good. To me. Even against ETH. This should continue higher. We have a lot of bullish divergence here on CMF. Every time we've had this, it's been... Well, we really haven't had it this significant in a long time on the daily time frame. Last time it was similar was pre-halving rally. Back of the truck, Vincent. Jackson, yeah. Sentiment is destroyed. I thought it really couldn't go any lower, but it feels like people are super exhausted. But some of those altcoins probably just, the ones that everyone has, I don't know how you're going to convince people to buy them from you. Like all the popular coins, they require a lot more money to pump. But we've lost a lot of our audience too, so that to me is bullish in and of itself. It's okay, not many people deserve to make money from this, but yeah, if this is correct, once this move starts, it should be really quick. But I like the fact that we're building this like slow parabolic trend against a lot of these coins. Dogecoin, Cardano, Link. Same thing. Yeah, it seems like the bottom. I mean, it's a really likely area for us to bottom out at. Let's reclaim this, I don't know, like $90 level. Yeah, this is like the first time where Bitcoin dumped, and Bitcoin dominance is really high, but Litecoin held up. People need to stop thinking about alts going up in general and just focus on individual chains or networks. Market should get smarter. Your time frames are lining up perfectly. Let's see if this resets the countdown. I think this month will reverse higher. We'll see. I think we can close green and above 106. It'll look like a completely different chart if we do that. A lot happens in a month. It feels like, you know, things do change so fast. So Christmas will be a gift. Yeah, I think Christmas through spring should be good. What up, Robert? So tired of the shit dumping every time there's any glimmer of hope. Yeah, I know. We all feel the same. It's tough. But think of it like, you know, the mental fortitude it takes and how many people just crack under that pressure. Nobody survived like a 9-year. Hardly anyone survived. Really, like decade-long sideways. It reached like 50, 60 bucks in 2013. It's like 12 years. I'm gonna grab some water. I'm tired, yeah. I think we're all tired. We just gotta survive. Don't pay attention to... I mean, obviously think for yourself. You don't have to listen to me, but I would not pay attention to Twitter or X and just listen to some random guy that got one thing right and has a lot of followers. And listen to yourself most. And what's happening, it's interesting because it's like stocks dumped a little bit today and then crypto got hit so much harder. Kind of feels like the whole crypto market's like the altcoin of the stock market. When stocks move up, crypto barely moves, and when it moves down, they get hit way harder. But man, we should continue to see rotation. Let's look at Dash. I don't know why people are buying this, but it's super low market cap, proof of work altcoin that's easy to pump. That's probably why. Decred. I don't think this is gonna go anywhere. I'd say it's better to dump at the beginning of the month than rally, usually. Leave a wick to the downside. And if we do close green, it's gonna have to break out in December. Probably surprise people. Am I talking about Ben? What up, Richard? Yeah, hold me to it. I mean, I think everyone will kind of think that the cycle's over at the end of the year. I think that's ingrained into people's psychology. Just like last time, it was ingrained in everyone that this was going to rally into December. I was super convinced that it wasn't. So got trapped. Now it's kind of the inverse. People, well, I guess it's the same. People expect November, December to be a pump. If altcoins don't move, I think so many people will give up. Yeah, I've been just working on the content for my 24-hour stream. I have so much stuff that I haven't released that I'm just making in the dark. Because I know it won't. There's almost no organic virality anymore. It's like all paid for, pretty much. Like that. Whoops. This chick got a lot of publicity. It's like an AI thing. Music that went viral. But it seems so fake to me. Like they just started releasing this 2 months ago. Then have 5 million views. It seems like someone paid to put out an article that they signed a record deal. I think it's all fake. What up, Dewey? Maybe that happens, Jose. You need to, or Joey. I think we should rally hard. Assuming this is correct, then this should rally really hard. Out of here. Generally, the final bottom is pretty short. It was like that for Zcash. It rallied very quickly off the bottom. It was slow at first, but didn't take long. Like the stream, yes, please. What marks the start of it? I think probably, I don't know for sure. When I sense that it's important for me to be around where I can capture people that start searching for Litecoin. So around that time. Because I want to be able to capture the audience that starts looking. I do think Litecoin will go mainstream. Like mainstream like the public consciousness will start searching for it. Much higher than Zcash and all these others that are just like mainly crypto native people. Yeah, probably cracking 145. Because I think it'll be pretty vertical. Maybe the most extreme vertical price rally we've had in crypto in a long time. And if I could be the default cultural node and fundamental thesis like node for this rally, then I will feel like I've succeeded. That's what I'm trying to do. Not to just pump the price, but it's so hard for like truth in this market to break out. It's all like hype pumping up stuff. And I'm trying to explain a longer term view to people. And people won't care until price goes up, so. And maybe the music will work. I know it'll sound a lot better when price is moving. Still shaking weak hands. I think we have to Litecoin. Having, maybe, but usually it's like people try to front run that narrative and it gets sooner each time. Like the last halving, price started bottom before Bitcoin. The halving was like end of summer in 2023. So it was about a year ahead of time. And that halving is, what is it? Like 2027, less than 2 years away. So I mean, I don't know. It can be a narrative over a year in advance. Guys, my wife is asking me for reviews again. You want to help me out with three? I need 3 5-star reviews. So she can eat when she gets off work. What do you guys think of this 24-hour stream? You think it's gonna work? What I think the crypto market lacks is like fundamental analysis and like real culture that can be built around those ideals. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see these chains. Fundamental stats. I don't know how Bitcoin Cash is still being held up. Median values of 40 bucks. I mean, probably like 10,000 or less real transactions. Dogecoin, the same thing. It's probably like 10,000. Median transaction values at 4 cents. And Dash at $1. Like, they're all so far behind, and naturally, there's no other chain that I would buy besides the second dominant Bitcoin chain that has a historical known catalyst for growth and has the highest network effects. Like, I don't get what people are doing other than playing the same pump and dump game they've been playing for a decade. Yeah, it's looking decent against, honestly, everything. ETH looks bad now because it's totally lost its momentum. And it's just in this larger range. It's a huge asset. It takes a lot to push it. It might still rally to new all-time highs, but it's not worth the risk. Litecoin deserves to be ahead of everything besides maybe ETH and Bitcoin. I don't have that long, guys. I just wanted to stop in here because markets were dumping, and I think people might feel panic. I wouldn't, though. It looks decent. We had a 9 on the 4 hour, like a 9 TD buy. And we're at the very bottom of this range. Made a slight lower low. This really went straight to the 1618. Who bought more at $81? Yeah, who did? Congrats.
Time pressing on my chest, trying to push past it. My heart on margin, 3x leverage. The collateral's myself, the margin call is me. I feel the weight trying to pull me down, but I built these roots in the underground. Every tick bleed red, I still won't drown. If the light go dark, I'll spark my sound. My heart don't flinch, she replays the beat. Each drop hit harder till it's heat. If this the fall, I'm on my feet. Won't close the trade till I'm complete.
Alright, guys, I actually have to go. I'm sorry, I thought I had more time, but I don't. But yeah, just another day as a Litecoin holder. Another rough day, but honestly, on the bright side, we look a lot better than most of the coins that other people are holding. And I think this parabolic trend is going to accelerate. I don't know if that means these others dump harder, but you would expect at least some type of relief bounce. And maybe Litecoin can go vertical here against others and break to the top of this range here over the coming weeks. And then truly break out and sustain that breakout until the end of the cycle. Usually, again, it's the ones that rally the latest. When Bitcoin finally reverses, that end up having the highest percentage returns. I think Bitcoin was in like this lower time frame distribution. I showed it to Master. I think he posted it. I never posted about it, but at least on this time frame since the rally back in July. It might take a while. I think it might consolidate. It's possible it reverses here. Nobody knows. But I kind of lean towards recovering a bit and consolidating through the end of the year, as everyone calls the top end of cycle, towards the end of December. And then we have a face melting rally into March, April. But I do think it will make new highs. It's just not going to be like insane like in previous cycles where it like rallied 5x. But sorry, I had to go, guys. I'll be back. I'll be back again tomorrow. But just don't panic. I think we're looking good. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for coming all the time. Appreciate it a lot. And we'll start the 24/7 thing probably within a month or so. I need some help pushing that. Got to break through the algorithm. So, have a good night, guys. Let's see some green candles over the rest of this week. Pump it. All right, thanks Eric, Schrute, Vincent, Robert, Dewey. Appreciate you guys. See you all next time. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.